No-bake Banoffee Swiss roll with just 3 ingredients. In a food processor, add a pack of cornstarch cookies and grind until fine crumbs form. Then, transfer the crumbs to a bowl. Next, mash 1 or 2 ripe bananas with a fork until smooth. This is the perfect consistency. Now spread the mixture onto parchment paper or plastic wrap. Flatten the dough evenly. I'll use a plastic wrap roll to make it easier. With the dough ready, add some dulce de leche. Use as much as you like. Spread it over the entire surface. Now add sliced bananas. Once done, roll it up tightly. All set. Refrigerate until it's well chilled. After chilling, remove the parchment paper. Transfer it to a cutting board. Slice and enjoy. Look how amazing this quick, easy and delicious recipe is. A mouth-watering Banoffee Swiss roll. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you like this recipe. Another quick dish from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.